I remember nights when the world stood still, your shadow dancing by the windowsill. We spoke in silence, didn't need a sound. Two broken souls, somehow love had found. Your laugh was light, it healed my scars. We dreamed too big, we aimed for stars. But time was cruel, it pulled us apart, left silent echoes inside my heart. أنا تعبان من السؤال، ليش الحب يغرق قلبي حل؟ كنتي حياتي كنتي أمان، وليش رحلتي بلا كلام؟ أنا تعبان من السؤال، ليش الحب يغرق قلبي حل؟ كنتي حياتي كنتي أمان، وليش رحلتي بلا كلام؟ أنا تعبان من السؤال، ليش الحب يغرق قلبي حل؟ كنتي حياتي كنتي أمان، وليش رحلتي بلا كلام؟ يا روحي don't let go, even if the world moves slow. Between your heart and mine, we're written in the lights. Habibi, hear my cry, love like ours never dies. Even broken, even apart, you still live inside mine. كنا نحلم تحت الشمس بلا خوف بلا ألم، كلامك كأنه الليل وإن جابك صار الظلم. شوارع المدينة تشباني وحدة تبانى سكتة، كل مكان يحكي عنك وإن أنا دقايت ربك. Continue down below through crowded rooms, smiling faces hide the gloom. I learned how to fake being strong, but nights are long when you're gone. Your name still lives in my breath, in every song, in every step. I lost you once, I lost my way, still hoping love finds me someday. If I could turn back time, I'd hold you closer, never lie. I'd fight the fear inside my chest, choose us over all the rest. Ya Ruhi, don't let go, even if the world moves slow. Between your heart and mine, we were written in the lines. Habibi, hear my cry, love like ours never dies. Even broken, even apart, you still live inside mine. ليش الحب سهلا يبدأ بس بينتهي؟ I still feel you when I breathe, in the space you left in me. Every tear, every scar shows me who we really